Alright, so we are still solving equations, and this time I'm going to show you a few different kinds of equations that you can still solve the same way. Okay, so example A says 12 minus 5x equals 72. Okay, well what they did here was they kind of changed the order of these first two things. We're used to x being the very first thing that we read in the equation. Okay, so something that helps it make a little bit of sense is rewriting it. This is the same thing as 12 plus negative 5x equals 72. The reason I did that is because I want you to know that this subtraction sign goes with the 5x. It has nothing to do with this 12. That is a positive 12, and that 12 is being added. So my first step is to get rid of the easy stuff, the addition and subtraction. Okay, so that is still this 12. Even though it's in the very first spot, that's still what I want to get rid of. And this is positive. You remember, we need to do the inverse operation, so we need to do the opposite. So if that's positive, I need to do negative or subtract. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. So now I have negative 5x equals 72 minus 12 is 60. All right, I need to get x by itself, but now it is being multiplied by not just 5, but negative 5. That's a mistake that a lot of people make. I need to get rid of negative 5. It's being multiplied, so the inverse of multiplication is division. So I need to divide both sides by negative 5. Don't forget the negative. Okay, so x is by itself now, and 60 divided by negative 5. Okay, if you don't know what that is, you can go off to the side and do it, but you should. 60 divided by 5 is 12, and a positive divided by a negative. The signs are different, and anytime the signs are different with division, your answer is going to be negative. So x equals negative 12. Okay, so that is example A. Let's look at example B.